Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. I'm going to show you how to make your own fresh buttermilk ranch dressing. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is mince a tablespoon of dill and a tablespoon of parsley. We're just going to pull out the mezzalina knife and go to work. Once you have a really nice mince on the dill and parsley, just add that over into a large mixing bowl. We're going to add a tablespoon worth of fresh chives and we're going to cut them up really thin. Let's add 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm using Hellmann's mayonnaise here, but you can use any mayonnaise of your choice. Add half a cup of sour cream, pour in half a cup of buttermilk, add 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's mix to combine the ingredients. Go ahead and grab a whisk. And folks, this is it, our buttermilk ranch dressing. I recommend that you go ahead and put it into a jar that has a lid. Place it into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving, and that way all the herbs and spices have enough time to marry. As usual, thank you for joining us here at Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.